Hi everyone, it's my son Coach Laudiaann Sylvest. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm actually going to share with you guys a wonderful secret. Not actually a secret, but if you have 100 subscribers, did you know you can change a URL YouTube channel and get it customized? Alright, the requirement is only 100 subscribers. So get excited guys, get your subscribers, okay? And another way you can get your subscribers is you do it organic. Hire somebody from Fiverr and they can actually gain you that over 100 subscribers. All right, that's what I did. I started real small. I hired somebody, and because they're techie, they know how to do their YouTube ads, they know how to do Google ads, and that's what they did. They promoted my YouTube channel organically all over the world. Wherever they send their tags, they all know their techie stuff. So guys, if you don't know much about techie things and techie stuff, always hire somebody from Fiverr because they know what they're doing. Okay, so I'm going to show you the URL where you can actually change your YouTube channel art. Not YouTube channel art, I take that back. YouTube channel URL. I don't know why I'm thinking about YouTube channel art, but YouTube channel URL, and you're gonna go up here. See, I already changed mine. www.com/c/mindset coach Laudiaann Sylvest. All right, this is the website you guys need to go to. Is http://www.youtube.com/account, that little minus in the bottom, and advanced. So make sure you log on to your YouTube channel. All right, before you submit this link to the browser, and then it's gonna take you to your you're gonna see your old URL ID right here, your YouTube channel ID, and then here it's actually going to show you that if you're required, you already met the requirement, you can actually change it. So you're gonna hit here, it's going to say claim it. You hit there, and then it's going to show you your brand, your YouTube channel. If you accept it, go ahead and accept it, and then it's changed instantly. And all you gotta do is get your 100 subscribers. Now guys, I already showed you the quick way how to get your 100 subscribers fast. Just hire somebody from Fiverr. And I keep saying that over and over, and that's the way you're gonna actually be able to get your brand name and get excited guys. I'm so excited for everyone that's participating in this monetization YouTube program with Wesley Virgin. Everybody's making excellent videos. Your videos are getting better and better, and keep coming to the weekly training Tuesday night at the Zoom, because you're gonna get a lot of training there. And I'm so excited for everyone. Be protected, make your videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get fresh videos from me every day. And I promise you that all the time. I'm still restoring my videos guys, so I'm happy that you are here, and count it all joy, and give praise to the Most High God, for He is the greatest. Bye bye for now.